going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Bird, and today we're going to be installing some locks. My daughter is the beautiful model of the day, and she really loves these locks. This is her second time getting them installed. She's 9, and yes, these locks hit like mid to lower back, so just be mindful when you're installing these locks on the age of the child, okay? So these are the locks up close. They're super cute distressed locks from Bobbi Boss, and they're very lightweight and very easy to install. So are you guys ready to get into this install? Let's go. So first things first is you want to make sure that the hair is prepped and cleaned, and some items that you're going to be needing. I use Shining Jam. You can use whatever type of conditioning jam agent you want. I used a comb and a crochet latch for your hair, and that's all you're going to be needing. Oh, probably some like clips. Get some clips. Don't forget the clips. And so I like to start off with a little bit of product at the very nape of the head and work that in. Make sure you comb that in. So the parting style that I chose to do on her hair is free part. I call it free part. Some people call it maybe like a half moon shape. I don't know. I'm gonna use the free part method. I really love this method when doing locks because the locks lay flatter that way and they look just more natural. So her parting is not going to be super small, but it's not going to be super big either. We're going to do some medium sized parts in her head. That way it gives her the fullness that she needs, and we're not going to be doing her head all night, okay? All right, so now the fun part is over. Let's get into how we install these locks. So I start off with a braid, and I braid this down probably about 3, maybe 4 times, and then I attach the lock to the braid. Now once you got the lock attached to the braid, you're going to keep braiding that all the way down to the very end, or you can braid it down a few more and then start twisting it however and whichever feels comfortable for you. So then we're going to go in with the spring twist hair, and I like to go through the base of the braid. Some people like to go through the actual braid itself, but we're going through the base of the braid, and we're going to wrap at least 4 to 5 times at the base, and then we're going to continue to wrap all the way down. So once you're done wrapping the hair, you're going to probably come up with this small piece like I have, and this little piece you're going to wrap back up, or you're going to wrap it in place. So this right here actually locks that wrapping hair in place. You're going to palm roll, and literally we're done. You're going to repeat these steps throughout the entire head, from the parting to the attaching the lock and to wrapping the hair. And one more thing that you want to make sure that you do is oil the scalp. So once you're done with the entire process, you're going to oil your baby's scalp, put it up in a bonnet if it's late at night, or let them just go freely. But y'all, we are done. Go ahead and rewind it if you need to go back to it. But my baby loved her hair. She gets it all the time, and it is a really cute protective style. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you guys have any requests for any other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.